The Yamaha MT-03 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a gateway to freedom and adventure. A perfect blend of cutting-edge engineering, aggressive styling, and rider-focused design, it's a bike that stands out in the crowd and delivers an unparalleled experience. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into motorcycling or an experienced rider looking for a lightweight, fun machine, the MT-03 promises to meet and exceed your expectations. This motorcycle is not just a means of transport, it's an expression of your personality, a statement of your individuality, and a companion for every road you wish to explore. At the heart of the Yamaha MT-03 lies a 321cc parallel twin engine. This liquid-cooled, DOHC engine is designed to deliver a perfect balance of power and control. With 42 horsepower and 29.6 Nm of torque, it offers a thrilling ride that's both approachable for new riders and exciting for seasoned motorcyclists. The engine's smooth and linear power delivery ensures you're always in control, whether you're accelerating from a stoplight, cruising through the city, or pushing the bike to its limits on an open road. Yamaha's engineers have fine-tuned this engine to provide strong low and mid-range torque, making it ideal for urban environments and spirited weekend rides. The MT-03 is not just about numbers, it's about the way it makes you feel every time you twist the throttle. One of the standout features of the MT-03 is its lightweight design. Weighing just 169 kilograms, this motorcycle is incredibly nimble and easy to handle. Its lightweight frame and compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating through traffic, parking in tight spaces, and taking on twisty mountain roads with confidence. The MT-03's agility is further enhanced by its advanced suspension system, which includes a 37mm upside-down fork at the front and a rear mono-shock. This setup provides excellent stability, precise handling, and a smooth ride, even on rough roads. Whether you're a new rider building confidence or a seasoned motorcyclist looking for a bike that's fun and responsive, the MT-03 delivers a riding experience that's hard to match. The design of the Yamaha MT-03 is unmistakably aggressive and modern. Inspired by its larger siblings in the MT series, such as the MT-07 and MT-09, the MT-03 shares the same bold and dynamic styling that defines the Master of Torque lineup. At the front, the bike features a unique LED headlight assembly that gives it a distinctive and futuristic look. The sharp lines of the headlight, combined with LED position lights, create an aggressive face that's impossible to ignore. The compact fuel tank, sculpted with precision, adds to the bike's muscular appearance while providing excellent ergonomics for the rider. Every detail, from the lightweight aluminum wheels to the high-quality finishes, reflects Yamaha's commitment to craftsmanship and quality. Climbing onto the Yamaha MT-03, you'll immediately notice the attention to rider comfort and ergonomics. The upright seating position, combined with wide handlebars, offers a commanding view of the road and excellent control over the bike. The seat height, at 780 mm, ensures that riders of all sizes can feel comfortable and secure, whether they're stopped at a red light or riding through challenging terrain. The MT-03's ergonomics strike a perfect balance between sporty and practical, making it an ideal choice for daily commutes, weekend rides, and long-distance journeys. The Yamaha MT-03 is equipped with a fully digital LCD instrument panel that provides all the information you need at a glance. The display includes speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, and more, all presented in a clear and easy-to-read format. This modern touch enhances the overall riding experience, ensuring that you stay connected and informed while focusing on the road ahead. Yamaha has also prioritized safety in the MT-03's design, equipping the bike with advanced braking systems, including a 298mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc. Supported by ABS, these brakes provide confident and reliable stopping power, even in wet or slippery conditions. One of the most appealing aspects of the Yamaha MT-03 is its versatility. This motorcycle is designed to excel in a variety of riding scenarios, making it a great choice for riders who want a bike that can do it all. In the city, the MT-03's lightweight design, compact dimensions, and responsive engine make it a joy to ride through traffic and navigate tight spaces. On the highway, its smooth power delivery and stable handling provide a comfortable and enjoyable ride, even at higher speeds. And on twisty mountain roads, the MT-03's precise handling and strong mid-range torque make it a thrilling companion for carving through corners. The MT-03 is also an excellent platform for customization. Yamaha offers a wide range of genuine accessories, allowing riders to personalize their bikes to suit their unique tastes and needs. Whether you're looking to enhance performance, improve comfort, or add a touch of style, Yamaha has you covered. From sporty exhausts and performance upgrades to aesthetic enhancements and practical additions like luggage racks, the possibilities are endless. The MT-03 is as unique as the rider who owns it, and Yamaha's extensive accessory lineup ensures that you can make your bike truly your own. Despite its impressive features and performance, the Yamaha MT-03 is remarkably affordable. Yamaha has worked hard to ensure that this motorcycle offers exceptional value for money, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. Whether you're a young rider looking for your first bike or an experienced motorcyclist seeking a high-quality machine at a reasonable price, the MT-03 delivers on every front. Yamaha's reputation for reliability and durability further adds to the MT-03's appeal, ensuring that it will provide years of riding enjoyment with minimal maintenance. As part of Yamaha's renowned MT series, the MT-03 shares the same DNA as its larger siblings, including the MT-07, MT-09, and MT-10. This family of motorcycles is known for its torque-rich performance, aggressive styling, and thrilling riding dynamics. The MT-03 serves as the perfect entry point to this legendary lineup, offering a taste of Yamaha's master of torque philosophy in a compact and approachable package. Riding the Yamaha MT-03 is an experience like no other. It's about more than just getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the connection to the road, and the freedom to explore. Whether you're cruising through the city, exploring winding country roads, or embarking on a long-distance adventure, the MT-03 delivers a ride that's both exhilarating and inspiring. The Yamaha MT-03 is not just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to discover new places, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. It's a machine that inspires confidence, fuels your passion for riding, and opens the door to endless possibilities. With its combination of performance, style, and value, the MT-03 is a bike that truly stands out in its class. Imagine yourself riding the MT-03. The wind in your face, the sound of the engine roaring beneath you, and the world rushing by. Every twist of the throttle brings a surge of excitement, every corner a new adventure. This is what the Yamaha MT-03 is all about, a pure, unfiltered riding experience that leaves you wanting more. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first bike or a seasoned enthusiast seeking a lightweight and fun machine, the Yamaha MT-03 delivers in every way. It's a bike that combines performance, style, and value to create an unmatched riding experience. So, what are you waiting for? The Yamaha MT-03 is calling. It's time to experience the thrill of the open road, the joy of riding, and the unmatched performance of Yamaha's master of torque. With the MT-03, every ride is an adventure, and every moment is unforgettable. The Yamaha MT-03, bold, dynamic, and ready to take on the world. Are you ready to join the revolution? Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.